Let's install an Estes 2x front derailleur. The tools you will need for installation are a torque wrench, Phillips screwdriver, 5mm hex wrench, and 5mm hex bit. Start by using a 5mm hex wrench and loosely attach the derailleur to the C-tube using the band clamp attachment. Then position the derailleur so that the outer plate of the chain guide is parallel to the largest chainring. Now position the derailleur so there is a 1 to 3 mm distance between the derailleur's outer plate and largest chainring. Once there, tighten the mounting bolt with a 5mm hex wrench to 5 to 7 Nm. Now route the chain through the rear derailleur and around the small chainring. For proper chain measurement, check your rear derailleur's installation manual. With the chain on the small chainring, shift the chain to the largest cassette cog. This puts the chain in the most inboard position. Now use a Phillips head screwdriver and turn the low limit screw until the space between the chain and the front derailleur's inner plate is about 0.1 to 0.5 mm. The Estes derailleur is designed for bottom or top pull cable routing, so follow your frame's cable routing guidelines. If you're using a top pull, route the cable through the channel and behind the tabs of the derailleur. If you have bottom pull routing, bring the cable up from the bottom bracket and route it under the cable fixing bolt and washer. Make sure it rests in the groove. Pull the cable tight to remove any slack, and secure the cable fixing bolt to 5 to 7 Nm. Trim the cable and add a cable end. Now let's shift between chain rings. If the chain struggles to shift from larger chain rings to smaller chain rings, your cable is too tight. Turn the barrel adjuster on your shifter clockwise. Make incremental adjustments and test the derailleur function after each one. If the chain struggles to shift from smaller chain rings to larger chain rings, your cable is too loose. Turn the barrel adjuster on your shifter counterclockwise to increase cable tension. Once again, make incremental adjustments and test the derailleur function after each one. Now, shift to the smallest cog and largest chainring. This puts the chain in its most outboard position. Turn the high limit screw until the gap between the chain and the outer plate of the derailleur is 0.1 to 0.5 mm. Alright, we just installed an Estes 2x front derailleur. If you have any questions, please reach out to us at service@microshift.com.